Hey there, so it's Kaz again, and today we're going to jump into a Facebook ads case study. So this is for a local service business, specifically in a really niche place, actually axe throwing, which is quite cool to be fair, with a few e-commerce elements combined into their campaign. In terms of jumping into kind of what challenges they faced, so when they reached out to us, they're running a single location. The ads were doing okay, but it was taking too much of their time and they weren't really driving enough results to be really profitable with the sort of growth that they wanted. So it was really holding them back. Now, once we got the first account or first kind of campaigns more profitable, with the main changes being to introduce better retargeting, more testing, more kind of micro strategies, right? So looking at objectives, creatives, that kind of stuff, we managed to really drive some good results for these guys. To really get into the nitty gritty, they spent 12K and got 47K back. So their return on ad spend for every £1 they spent, they got £3.70 back. Really, really good numbers here across the board. Return on ad spend has jumped off to 4 as well, 4.07. So now they're ultimately multiplying every pound or dollar they spend by 4, which is very, very, very impressive from a campaign level. Now, of course, if you'd like to make that your campaign as well, do feel free to reach out or make that happen for you. Cheers.